The first look is just a simple rounded bob, which is a great option if you don't want to spend too much time on your hair. For this look, you can use any straightener that you already own. Section your hair off in layers so we can achieve the most volume as possible. For this look, we're going to do the C curl, which is pretty much just curling in a C shape. Try to apply more pressure to the ends while you curl. This will give your hair that rounded, cute look, which is perfect for medium to short length hair. Align your bangs together in place by also curling them inwards. This next look is a fun and bouncy hairstyle that is achieved with a skinny, clampless barrel. We're just going to wrap small sections of hair around the barrel to achieve very tight curls that will last you all day. And you're literally going to repeat all these curls in each layer until you reach the top. For the top curls, you want to make sure that the curls are more defined and shaped. After you release the barrel, catch the curl into your hands and hold it there for about 5 seconds. This will make your outer curls last longer and appear more firm all day. After I'm done curling my hair, I like to part my hair towards the side and adjust the curls in place. Here's a more romantic, sweet hairstyle, which is my personal favorite. First, split your hair down the middle, and all you have to do is take a small outer section of your hair and twist it tightly. Secure the twist with some bobby pins. The thing that really puts this look together are the bangs. You want to achieve the cute doll look by giving your bangs a nice dramatic curl. There's really not much to this hairstyle after you've curled all your hair. My last look is a classic messy top bun. Again, this look is super easy to achieve once you have a full head of curled hair. Grab all of your hair and tie it as high as possible. Don't worry about the fallout because we're gonna get to that later. This look works the best and gets the most volume when your hair is very curly. To clean up the fallout, you want to just gather them together and twist them up. Secure the twist with some crisscrossed bobby pins. You can choose to keep the bangs as is for a cuter look, but I'm going to twist the bangs together and bobby pin them up for a cleaner, effortless look. Thank you as always for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!